freeintromusic.com layout track.
Hi viewers, welcome to this recipe video. Today we show you how to make delicious recipe of blueberry cheesecake at home. This is a simple recipe. There is no need for any eggs or oven. Try this recipe and let us know how it came out in your comments. The ingredients needed are very simple. Keep them ready the day before you try to make the cheesecake. Take the cream cheese and the fresh cream in a large bowl. If you had refrigerated them the previous day, make sure you bring it to room temperature before you start using them. Use a hand blender or a battery operated one and blend them well together. Once they are blended well, add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and blend them all together again. Now in this recipe we have not used eggs. Using eggs is optional. You can use 1 or 2 eggs to blend into the cheesecake and make it more soft. For the next step, take some biscuits. You can either use Milk Bikis or Marigold biscuits. Take them in a mixer and grind them together to make a powdered mix. Transfer them to a small bowl. Now heat 1 tablespoon butter. Once the butter is fully melted, add it to the powdered biscuit while stirring. Make sure the batter is not too thick or too wet. Now we take a cake tray and apply some butter on the base. This will help in removing the cake later. Apply the powdered biscuit batter on the base of the cake tray. Evenly spread it to all corners. You can use a flat bowl. You can use a flat base ball. Or also a spatula to make sure that the edges are even and it is not too thick at any corner. Now once this is ready, transfer the cream cheese mix again. Make sure that it is spread evenly. And it is at equal thickness at all corners. Place it in the freezer for minimum of 6 hours. You can also place it for maximum of 12 hours. Next we take fresh blueberries. Crush the blueberries in a blender. Now take it in a hot pan along with a few teaspoons of water and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Make sure you don't add too much water, as we want the blueberry syrup to remain thick. Keep stirring till the color changes and let it cool. Now after 6 hours, once the cheesecake is frozen, take it out and layer it on top with the blueberry syrup. Again freeze for another 6 hours. Once it is fully ready, open the cake tray and remove the cheesecake. Use a sharp object to gently remove the base layer from the cake tray. Release it first from the corners and the cake will slide off the tray easily. There we go, delicious cheesecake recipe is ready. There are many options to use in this cheesecake to make different varieties. Instead of blueberry, we can use strawberry or raspberry. There are other options like adding eggs or using an oven. We will discuss it in future recipe videos. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. More exciting recipes are on the way.